Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 18 for Multivendor Ecommerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will mainly learn about the React router. It means we will implement something that will help us to move from one page to another without reloading the page, but it will load the content of that specific page. Okay, the main focus is that. Okay, and in the other hand we will create our category list page. Okay, so when we click on this category list page, with the help of React router DOM package, we will go to category list page, and without reloading this browser, and the category list page will show the category list. Okay, so these two things we will implement. So first we need to understand that how React router DOM will work, and then we will go to category list page. Okay, so first of all we need to install this package. So here is a you can also follow the documentation, right? So you can I will give this link in the description, so you can learn. And first of all we need to install the package. So it's very easy in any, if you are making website in a with the help of Node, then you can install any package with the help of npm command. So the command will be npm install React router DOM. Okay, so this will install the package, and after that you can just start the browser, start the server, it means, right? So it will start the server here, and now we need to do basic settings. Okay, so this is our app, but actually this main is our home page. So let's create a one more component, home page, right? So in the component section I will do home.js, right? In the home.js we have header and we have a container, right? And let's say we have here row. Okay, so I'll copy this main component totally and paste it here. Okay, but I will remove the footer from the home and keep it in the app.js, right? So let's remove this and add in the app.js. Actually we need to create one more component that is known as footer.js. Okay, so let's copy this, paste here. All right, and then we have done here. Okay, so I hope you are understanding everything. This is, we created footer component, right? And we are exporting the footer. It means we can use this as a module, and we have a header, home, footer. In the app.js we will paste here and we'll say footer, right? Here we are, right? And then here we will say footer. All right, and then we will say here home, because we have also home component, home. All right, so header, home, and then footer. All right, so export default was not found in home. Okay, that's fine, no issues. Actually we need to do this, we need to create as a component. We already add this, we have just added the, so home. Okay, and then we have we'll copy this, and let's do this, and here we will paste. All right, so this is okay. Now this should work. logo. Okay, so this is saying logo is not defined. Let's copy this. We don't need the app.js, we need this logo. Let's copy this logo. Okay, and what else we need? Home. All right, this is saying slash, what was the name? I don't know what was the name. It's slash, and then I think, where is the logo? Let's see. In the front end source we have logo.svg. Let me check this. Logo.svg. all right, so this is working. It means we have settled our basic things. Okay, now when we click on this category, it should show the category page, category component. I know that we didn't created that, but we will create soon. Okay, and we will see that how it will work. Okay, so let's go to we have installed our npm router. Okay, if you remember. So in the app.js, right, not in the app.js, in the index.js, the main before the app in which we are loading the app.js. So here we will import from React router DOM. Okay, I will explain you everything, but let's do some things. So browse router as router. So we will wrap our whole app in this component, right? Okay, right, now we have wrapped our whole app in the router. Now in the app.js, before loading the assets, here we will use switch route. Okay, because if you go to the documentation, here they are using switch route link. Okay, so I'll explain you everything. Let's first understand. So in the switch we will use this one, home, right? So here we are in the switch. Here in the switch we have, okay, so this will be in our route, not this is route, not router, route. In the route we have home, right, and then we have here a path slash. Okay, so not found in the possibly. Alright, so why this is not working? Let's see. They are saying React router DOM, then switch is not working. Import React router DOM switch route. Let's see that why this is not working. export importers which was not found in this. So copy this, paste in the browser, and let's see the example what it is saying. Okay, switch has been replaced with routes. Routes. Okay, so this will be routes. Okay, in the route we have this, and this will be element equal to home, right? So element equal to home. So let's see what they are saying. Version 6. So let's go to version 6. What it is saying: React router DOM. I just want to know that what it has been changed. Okay, so this is 6th one. Click here, tutorials, and okay, create browser router. Okay, understand. Okay, browse router as a router. We have already wrapped our whole app in as a router, right? And in the app.js we are saying if path is this, we have to add every component in a route and all route in the routes, right? And we are saying if path is this, element will be home, right? And let's see here what it is. Okay, so this is our home element, but it is not loading. Okay, route. Here we have a route, and in the route we have this. Okay, we don't need this. Let's see. All right, so everything is working, but home is not loading here. So let's say home route. Okay, let's go to console. The above error occurred if I remove this. Okay, and just keep route here. What it will say? Okay, this is saying routes. Okay, let me check this. Okay, so we have some missed syntax error because I've used the version 5, but it should be like this. Okay, so path, this one and this one. Right now everything is working. Okay, so we can try another component. So let's copy this and paste here, and element will be categories, right? We didn't create the categories, but we will do that. Let's this is footer. Let's copy the footer one, paste here, and let's say categories.js, right? And paste here categories and paste here, right? And then in the app.js we will import this. Copy this, paste here, and this will be categories. right? So if you paste categories, then it will show this footer only, because we have added footer. Let's say h1, sorry, category list, right? So everything is working. Now we need to link this with this here. So in the header we have app, and in the header we need to do some linking. So in the JSX, in the React, we will not use the anchor link, but instead we will use link, right? So link will be same, just you need to replace the a tag, okay? And in the place of hr here we will say path, and this will be from root categories, right? And this should be matched with this, okay? So when we click on this, it will load that component, okay? This will be home, this will be categories, sorry, okay. So here home, where is that? It is saying the category is same here. Why? Oh, sorry, 2, not path, it will be 2. Alright, so home, categories, and it is working without reloading the page. Only this is changed and content is changed, right? So you understand all the things. First you need to wrap your whole app in a router, right, after installing this package. And then in the app, when you have to change the route, then you have to add the routes, and in the routes we will add route for every component, okay? And this is the path where we will give the link, okay? So in the link, in the with the to attribute, whatever the to is, we will it will match here, and it will load that component, right? You understand all the things? All right, now let's create the categories list. So category list will be same as in our home page. Let's say this one, popular categories. So we will copy this popular categories page, and we will say section, class, container, and section close, right? And then we will paste here. So this is let's say all categories, okay? We don't need this view all categories now. Just simply say all categories. We don't need this anchor link now, okay? So in the category it is saying logo, okay? Let's add the logo here also, so we will not face any kind of issue, okay? So all categories, and what else it is saying? So margin top 4, this is bootstrap class. All right, so and in the footer we also need to add container, okay? So these are the categories, product downloads, okay, category title. All right, so we need to define one more thing. In the categories we need to define anchor on. Actually we will define link later, we will define the link, but we need to add here, let's add here link, right? So let's add the link here, okay? We need to fetch the link in the header. From the header I'll copy this, paste here. This is the link For the categories, let's say 2 equal to empty, let's say slash, sorry, category title. All right, so these are our category titles. Okay, now we can do one thing. We can copy this whole row and paste it here, and this row should be margin bottom 3. Okay, let's say 2. Okay, so we have created our category list page. We have defined the linking with the use of React Router DOM, right? So I think this is enough in this video. In the next video we will create the product list page. Okay, now the next for the next pages it will be easy for us because we have already implemented the React Router. Okay, alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video, and please share, subscribe, like this video, like this channel, share this channel. Okay, thank you so much.